Hello, it's your Southern Maryland realtor Bob Gauger here, bringing you a video tour of a beautiful home that was just listed in Mechanicsville. Now make sure you stay to the end of the tour. We're going to finish up in the master bedroom. The home was listed by my colleague Melinda Brown. If you'd like to see this home, or if you have any questions, concerns, or needs regarding real estate, give me a call. My contact information is below. So the home is listed at $549,000 and it's been renovated, so it is beautiful. There's over 2,300 square feet of finished living space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, formal living and dining room. The kitchen is open to a breakfast area and a family room with a fireplace. It's just beautiful. There's even access to a covered screen porch with a copper roof. The basement's unfinished. It does offer a rough-in for a third full bath and a level walkout to a patio that's below that covered screen porch where you have privacy and a beautiful view of nature. So why don't we take a tour, shall we? Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. As I was walking through the home, it occurred to me that I never gave you the address. The address would be 26812 Hidden Acres Court. That's in Mechanicsville. And the name would imply it might be difficult to find, but it's not. It's even easier to see. Just give me a call. My contact information is below. Thanks for watching.